Why do I run? Well, running means the world to me because there was a time when I couldn't walk. Late one night, just a few weeks after my first marathon, I was hit by an intoxicated motorcyclist. Best estimate, he was going about 80 miles per hour upon impact.
It was very shocking, very disturbing, very unbelievable. I could not even comprehend the news that I was receiving on the phone.
I broke my femur severely and broke several ribs and my pelvis. I had massive internal injuries and bleeding. While in the trauma unit, with 14 doctors surrounding me, one of the doctors leaned in close and said, "I feel it's important I tell you this. You could die tonight." But I knew she was wrong, and I told her that. I knew I'd make it through. I was facing a long recovery ahead though. And there I was, unable to even walk. Physical therapy was tough. It took a lot of hard work and perseverance. Each small victory was huge. Even bending my leg was a significant accomplishment. With determination and the support of my family and friends, each day, each step brought me closer to my goal, to be able to run marathons. To be uninhibited by my life-changing injuries. When I could get around okay on crutches, my physical therapist helped me push myself even harder. He pretty much took my crutches away and encouraged me to walk. And soon after, to actually run. It wasn't easy. Getting back on the road was one of the hardest things I've ever physically done. Some days are harder than others. Some runs just plain suck. We all face obstacles, challenges that stand between us and our goals. Whether traumatic physical injuries or even crippling anxiety. But this is my struggle. It's not unlike so many others.
Ryan was very determined and made improvements steadily, and being so young and healthy, he showed those improvements every day.
I just finished up a run. I'm tired, but I'm feeling pretty good. He died on impact, but I'm still alive.
It was really hard to see, but at the same time, he had such determination and strength and did very well in recovery.
I wouldn't say I'm 100%, but pretty close. I'm not as fast as I used to be, but I can't say I was ever all that fast. Since then, I've run 4 more marathons and several other races. I'm just happy and grateful to be back out there and to be able to run and live my life. Why do I run? There was a time when I couldn't walk. I run because I'm alive.